snowiest city in the world. With an average of 26 feet or 8 meters of snowfall every year, is Aomori City in the Aomori Prefecture, Japan.
For comparison, the average snowfall in Sapporo, Japan, which comes in at number 2 on the list of snowiest cities, is 16 feet, or almost 5 meters. That's a 10-foot difference. During the winter, you may find yourself driving alongside a wall of snow that's several feet high. The snowiest United States region is in the Cascade Mountains, with weather stations on Mount Rainier and Mount Baker reporting higher snowfall totals than anywhere else in the nation. Mount Baker's downhill ski area broke world records for annual snowfall in 1999, when it received 1140 inches in one season. In Canada, Woody Point, Newfoundland averages more than 21 feet of snow every winter. Forest Montmorency, Quebec is a close second, with annual totals around 20 feet. British Columbia's mountains receive even higher totals. Snow falls an average of 141 days a year in Glacier National Park